Hey guys, my name is Mark and I'm one of the co-owners here at Myrtle Beach Generators.
What questions should I ask if when getting a generator estimate?
That's a great question. There are a lot of different aspects in a whole home generator installation. There's so many things that you need to actually ask your estimator. For example, does this price include everything, including permits, taxes, any fees that need to be filed with the city or the county? Who's doing your gas line? Are you doing the gas line or are you going to be subcontracting that out? What kind of regulators are going to be used during the gas line installation? How are they going to run the electrical wire? Are they licensed? Are they insured? One of the big concerns with generators or whole home generators is the aftercare. Aftercare is crucial to any piece of equipment that you're spending this kind of money on. So you need to make sure that whoever's installing your generator is certified by the manufacturer, is certified to do their warranty repairs and maintain their units.
Can I finance my new generator?
We offer a financing program through Synchrony Bank. So if you have Lowe's or Home Depot cards, that's the same bank that does all of those. So they have affordable rates all the way from 0% interest for 18 months to stretching that payment all the way out to 88 months at 6% interest. So it just really depends on what you qualify for.
What warranty options are available and what's included in the warranty?
So Generac comes with a 5-year limited warranty. When I say limited, it's more of a staggered warranty. So you only get 2 years of labor, 2 years of travel, 3 years of parts, and then 5 years of engine and alternator. They have so many promotions and extended warranty options available to purchase beyond that. So one thing to ask your estimator, if they're offering a free 10-year warranty, you need to be a little bit cautious of that. Generac does do national promotions that will offer certain dealers the ability to get a free 10-year warranty, or they'll offer customers who sign by a certain date to get a free warranty as well. However, just because they say they're offering you a free warranty or a free 10-year warranty, it's always good to get multiple different estimates, because a lot of times, a lot of estimators will just front load that estimate and include that cost of warranty in with their estimate. That's one of the reasons why Myrtle Beach Generators has been so competitive in this Myrtle Beach market.
Would I have to do anything with my HOA?
Yes, we try to handle as much of the paperwork as we possibly can. If you have an HOA, it's usually a $25 or $45 fee where you'll submit an application and you'll essentially forward our estimate to the HOA with all the pictures that we include in our estimate, so they can have the dimensions, what the unit looks like, where it's going to go. All that will be included in your estimate. So a lot of times you could forward that in with your application and your $25 fee to your HOA, and within a week or two it's usually approved.
Would I have to do anything with my electrical company?
Yes. Yes and no. If you're an Ori Electric customer, then you would have to call and schedule your power disconnect or your meter disconnect, whatever you want to call it. They require you to fill out a form, so when you call to schedule the power disconnect, they're going to email you a form to sign, and I believe, I'm not 100% certain on this, I've heard this from a couple customers, that there is a $45 fee for that from Ori Electric. Now, if you're Santee Electric or Santee Cooperative, they allow us to call on your behalf. Once the generator installation is done, we call the city and we get our inspections. The inspector will leave us an inspection number once we've passed. From there, we call the power company back, we give that inspection number to the power company, and then they will come back out and reconnect power. So the only call that you actually have to make is the first initial call with Ori Electric. Santee Cooper, you don't have to do anything. We take care of everything.
Do I need to handle any permits?
Absolutely not. We do all the permitting process for the electrical, the gas, the zoning, all of it in every city municipality here in the Grand Strand area and even Conway.
How are you able to get generators installed so much faster than your competitors?
That's a great question. Number one, we have nearly $500,000 of generators in stock at all times at our warehouse right here at Myrtle Beach. We don't have to order them and wait on them. We don't have to purchase from a distributor who may not have them in stock. We already carry them, anywhere from 12 kWs all the way up to 26 kWs right here locally.
Okay. What else sets Myrtle Beach generators apart from other generator companies?
One of the great things about Myrtle Beach generators is you deal with one person from the start to finish, from the estimate to the install to the completion of the unit. There is no middleman. We do the gas, we do the electric, we do the permit, we do every aspect of the generator. We also are Generac certified to do all your installations, all your warranty repairs, and all your maintenances. So the aftercare worry is gone. We're certified to take care of your Generac until its end of life in 20 or 30 years. Another thing that sets Myrtle Beach generators apart from our competitors is we're family owned and operated. We're not a national franchise, so every dollar that you spend with Myrtle Beach generators stays in the community. The co-owner William and I have been friends for over 25 years. His wife handles our branding, and his children handle our social media. I get to work every day with my son side by side, doing these generator installs. That's one of the things that I find is very important when you're in a community, is having that community bond with the people that you service. So I think that's a big aspect of why we're different.